Alright, here we are. I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to drill holes on Key Creator. The shape that I'm going to be making is right here. And here we go. Start off, you're going to create a rectangle. You're going to press rectangle width height. Your X is going to be 3. And your Y will be 2.5. Accept. Make sure it's in the top view. And next thing you're going to do is create a circle. You're going to press circle center radius. Your radius is going to be 0.75. Except you're going to place a circle on the midline on each side of this rectangle you just created. The next thing you'll do is create line parallel distance. The distance you're going to make it at is 0.88. Except you're going to go on the inside of both the left and right sides of the rectangle you just made. After that, you're going to go to create line tangent position. The arc, the tangent entity is going to be this arc here. You're going to use the intersect tool to place in the intersect of these two lines. Back up, press the arc, intersect. Now you're going to do it for this side, intersection of these two lines. After you're done with this, you're going to delete and trim any unnecessary lines that you don't need. You can delete these. Modify trim first. Trim this line to here, and there, this line to here, and there, and now you can delete these two lines here. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to use the create line parallel distance tool again. Change the distance to 1/2. Accept. Put it at the top piece down, the bottom piece up, and you're going to connect these lines. Put it back to cursor. Create small rectangles here. Connecting these lines. Alright, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to change this view to isometric view. Top view to isometric. You're going to go to create extrude profile. Your length is going to be 1.37, and you're going to extrude the small rectangles you just made. Extrude the small rectangles you just made. Extrude it up. I'm going to do the same thing this side. Extrude it up. Back up. You're going to use the extrude menu again. Change the length to 1/2. You're going to extrude the rest of the block up. Careful what lines you select. There you go. If you go back to the shape we're making, it's starting to look a little bit like that. Alright, next thing you're going to get to is you're going to start drilling the holes. You're going to go to create solid features, drill hole. Your hole diameter is going to be 0.625. Okay. Hold on. Over here, you see the options you have. You have the through hole and the blind hole. If you're gonna use the through hole here, I'm gonna show you guys what the through hole does. You're gonna indicate the face you want to be drilled. Select that, and where you want to drill it, the center there, and there you have your hole. And using the through hole, it goes all the way through the block. You see, but we don't want that. We're gonna change that. We're going to back up, change this to blind hole. Blind hole, you get to select the depth of the hole, and our depth is going to be 0.2. Indicate that face, and the blind holes, they don't go all the way through the object, as you can see here. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to create primitive solids and create a cylinder. Your major radius is going to be 0.625. Your height will be 1/2. Okay, you're gonna change the control plane to front C plane. Put it there. Place another one on this side as well. You can change this back to isometric view. Next thing you're going to do is modify Boolean unite. You're going to unite all the objects you just made. You press accept, and they're all one object here. The next thing, we're going to drill another hole. Create solid features, drill a hole, and we're going to change this to through hole. Hole diameter is going to be 0.625, and when you select through hole, you're going to select this face. By selecting through hole, it's going to go all the way through, and you got a hole that goes all the way through the whole shape. However, if I go back to my object here, I see I made the size of the hole wrong. To go back and change that, you don't have to go all the way back. Simple process. You go to modify feature, edit hole. Saves a lot of time. You're gonna press that hole, accept, and here you can adjust the diameter, the depth, what kind of hole you want it to be. Still gonna be a blind hole. We're gonna change it to 0.8. Okay, and we can see that this definitely changed the size of the hole. So we're gonna do the same for this. This is the hole we want to edit. Accept. And just to 0.8. Okay, and there you have it. And that's how you drill holes on Key Creator. Thanks.